Rebuild version 2.0 Sparkles upgrades. Hi, hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Stuart and I fly Sparkles Microlight. This episode can be considered as the prelude to the rebuild of Sparkles Microlight. We will reveal and discuss the Sparkles version 2.0 upgrades, which will make my Microlight an enhanced and customized capable flying machine. In this episode, we'll look at the instrument panel, but in a follow-up episode I'll discuss that in detail. Two awesome pieces of equipment are coming up. Let's start with the update on parts shipping. I have been working closely with Javid in P&M Aviation India to facilitate the completion of Sparkles' return to the skies. There has been a supply issue for the wing, which will be delivered later, but for now the main rebuild parts are ready and awaiting a ship to sail to Brisbane, Australia. Thanks Javid. Where would we and our P&M Aviation aircraft be without the manufacturer support? Obviously grounded. Let's look at the aircraft and some of the changes and upgrades that are taking place. First, the wheel bearings. Something I consider not just replacement but an upgrade. They are being upgraded from the P&M installed Chinese version to Japanese quality bearings. The landing light. I consider this a safety feature and I had a landing light installed previously. I will be replacing that halogen rusty assembly and installing a low current efficient and brighter LED alloy cased model. We will have to wait and see how that performs, but it looks promising and I really think the low current feature is a big plus. The propeller. Propeller wear and tear is always an issue on aircraft. I have opted for the nickel leading edge protection on my new propeller, which is the identical warp drive model as certified and fitted previously. Front shocks. The paint on these was chipping and making them look second rate, so I have now given them a fresh hammer tone finish. What do you think so far? Show your support with a like to see more, because shortly we have the best part, the instrument panel, coming up. If you feel the need, and please don't feel obliged, I have created a range of #ISavedSparklesMicrolight merchandise for you to purchase and support the Sparkles rebuild. It's only available until the time of the first flight, hopefully around the end of June 2022. Or maybe you'd rather show your direct financial support. Again, don't feel obliged. It's for those of you that feel the need. I have set up a Patreon donation page. The bonus being that the top 5 donators, no pressure, but at the time of Sparkles' first flight, those top 5 donators will receive a free autographed #ISavedSparklesMicrolight t-shirt. You can donate or shop at the links provided. Here is where all the action is. A complete new instrument panel layout and a couple of additions will make cross-country flying a better experience. The added items are as follows. Compass. Yes, I had a compass before, but for the sake of panel layout and space, I removed my panel compass and will install a silver 70 UN type to the front strut tube. I have designed and created an awesome and secure mounting bracket for it too. Very tidy. A new iPad mounting system. This is the reason for relocating the compass. I now plan to mount an iPad mini on the panel. Well, after all, it is my primary navigation system. The phone mounting. To me, this is the most amazing thing because it solves several of my previous problems. It's awesome. It may sound simple, but it's valuable. I will be explaining this and the iPad mount in more detail and why I chose these items in my next update video. So subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the rebuild of version 2.0 Sparkles Microlight. Thank you for your support by joining me here again, and please fly safely.